Jeremy, let me kick off with you. What have we learned about BOJ today?
Well, clearly, the bank have been very active in the market to try and limit some of the speculation regarding policy tweaking in terms of tomorrow's meeting. I think it's interesting. You could argue they've been almost testing the water just to see how the market will react to any policy change. And the fact that we haven't seen a substantial reaction in dollar yen in particular over the course of the last few sessions could suggest that the market is reasonably sanguine about the possibility and the probability of a policy change. We're not of the opinion that we will see a change this week. I think it will be later in the year, possibly after the LDP leadership elections. But nevertheless, I think it is interesting that perhaps the bank have been just seeing how the market would react to any policy change.
David, do you agree, or are we about to see a BOJ that's going to change its habits?
No, it's not our core view either. You get a change this week, but I think this is best seen within the global theme of central banks having to step away from some of the aggressive things that they've done, not just because the crisis is obviously now several years away, not just because macro indicators have improved significantly, whether that was to do with the policy or not is an open question, but also the focus on the negative aspects, the side effects of what they're doing is increasingly in focus. Obviously, we know what some of those things are distortions of financial markets, keeping zombie companies going, a theme you hear across the world at the moment. And I think it's interesting, as you say, that the market has not reacted particularly negatively to this trial balloon. It's the first central bank to float policy ahead before they actually do something in that regard. I think the market is now conditioned for central banks to be gradually stepping away.